Hi, hello India, it's Tamanna Bhatia and welcome to Tamanna Fine Jewelry, the flagship store, The Apartment. I mean, for me, the thought of doing a business it's not really come out of just, hey, another celebrity brand. For me, it's actually been, my father's always been a businessman. He's been a jeweler for many, many years. And I've seen him doing this for many, many years. But I never really had anything to contribute in that space until recently, where I felt like because I've been dressing up for the past 20 years, almost every single day of my life, I realized some like cheat codes, some secrets, like trade secrets of figuring out how I can add that style while retaining the comfort, because inevitably getting ready can be a very, very overwhelming and tedious process. So I felt like Tamanna Fine Jewelry is my expression of how your styling and your everyday getting ready actually becomes a lot more convenient just by adding the right kind of better basics, which is what we create within Tamanna Fine Jewelry. I think I am somebody who loves stacking, so inevitably you'll find me with like a tennis necklace which has got diamonds with our setting, which is like a split bezel, and you will also find me wearing like a tennis but with like emeralds. So I'm a big fan of actually mixing stones together and wearing them casually. I don't think that the emeralds are meant for a wedding or an anniversary or a party. It's actually meant for your everyday. So I actually wear my emeralds and diamonds really casually, and hopefully I can take people through how to do that through Tamanna Fine Jewelry. I think when you buy fine jewelry, it's really important to buy pieces that you know can transcend time, because essentially clothes is something that you can keep buying, new every few seasons. But I feel like fine jewelry, once you buy, inevitably it's something that stays with you and then stays beyond you as well. So I think it's the point is to choose pieces that actually reflect you and create those pieces that actually work within your life and actually service your lifestyle, whatever that you need on an everyday. I don't know. I'm not like I don't think of trends like underrated or overrated. But I truly think that day diamonds are something that India hasn't seen as much, and of course it's celebrated internationally. But my whole goal with Tamanna Fine Jewelry is to bring that to people, to bring T-shirt diamonds to people, to bring day diamonds to people.